All right, it's Thursday, July 27th. Just following up on Google, you can see it's now moving higher towards the pre-market or the highs of the day here on its secondary push. I bought it here at the lower blue line. I just scaled out at 133 to set up a no-risk trade. Again, I bought the stock here at 132.48. Just scaled out at 133, so about a half a point higher as it worked towards the highs of the day, which is up here at 133.60. So we'll see if it gets there. It's no risk right now. It kind of came up, had the nice gap up after 2 days here, big gap. So I didn't want to buy that first 15-minute bar, but it did follow through to the upside nicely. You never know, you can get a lot of momentum out of that sometimes, but a lot of times it does tend to settle in after gapping up and having a big 15-minute bar and continuing higher. But it proved that the trend of the day was up. So when it pulled back to the midpoint of that first bar and kind of held in here and consolidated, I bought it here on this green bar at the blue line, anticipating we retest the highs of the day. That's where we're going now. Just scaled out at no risk. So let's see where Google goes today in the bigger picture. Like I said, we gapped up yesterday and kind of took out a key pivot. And if it was going to reverse here after this neutral bar, it would have headed lower. Instead, it's heading higher. So it's heading to higher picture targets. And on the weekly chart, if we look at that, that kind of works us back up. There's a big window up into the 140s in the bigger picture. So stock to continue to monitor for good, opportunities on day trades. And today we have a nice secondary, move to the upside. Let's see if it gets to the high of the day.